You can buy the granulated sugar, and then you don't need to grind it at home. But at the moment I don't have any granulated sugar at home. So let's grind the next portion. I put in some more. I need 200 grams of granulated sugar. Pour it in a big bowl. Then add the egg white. Okay, and then add a drop of lemon. And some cinnamon too. And then you need to whip this all together. First mix it together and then whip it together. You don't necessarily need to put cinnamon. The lemon is good because it actually makes it more it makes it lighter. So that's why the lemon is good. You can do it with your hands, or you can use a machine as well. I'm using a machine now to make things a bit faster.